Students, today we will learn English Grammar Chapter 4 Pronouns. Let us read what Little Red Riding Hood and Mr. Wolf are talking about. What are you doing, little girl? I am collecting berries for Granny. Granny loves to eat berries. What else does Granny like to eat? Granny like to eat oranges. Granny is fond of grapes too. Granny loves to eat pancake as well. Did you notice how many times Red Riding Hood uses the word granny? Now read the dialogue once again using the word she for granny after the first sentence. Students, do you know why should we use she for granny? Because of pronouns. Pronouns are words that are used in place of nouns. Avoid repetitions. I, you, he, she, it, we and they are pronouns. These words show who or what is doing the actions. The boy was very thirsty. He looked for water everywhere. Rohan and I are riding bicycles. We are having fun. Students, these are some examples of pronouns. He is used for boy and male. She is used for girl, female. It is used for animal and things. They and we used for more than one. Students, these are pronouns. Here we use singular and plural. Students, do you know what is singular and what is plural? Singular is used for one person and plural is for more than one. Singular words I, you, he, she, it we use for singular. Plural we, they, you we use for plural. Read this letter from Raj to Gagan. Fill in the pronouns. Dear Gagan, how are dash? Students, how are you? Y-O-U. We are having a great time in Manali. My father loves it here. Dash has taken many photographs. Students, here we are talking about father. So we will use he in the place of word father. So we write H-E, he. Mother says the apples are very tasty. Dash plans to buy a whole box to take home. Students, here we are talking about mother. So we will use she in the place of word mother. So we write S-H-E, she. The owner of the hotel, Mr. and Mrs. Gupta, have two cute rabbits. Dash allow me to play with the rabbits every day. Students, here we are talking about more than one person. That's why we'll use they. So write T-H-E-Y, they. One of the rabbits is especially friendly. Dash loves to eat carrots from my hand. Rabbit is an animal, so we will use it. So we write it, it. Dash wish dash were here. Students, who is writing a letter? Raj. So we'll use I for Raj, I wish, and he is writing to Gagan. So we will write a place of Gagan, you. I wish you were here. Love, Raj. Students, be careful. Whenever we write after the full stop, always first letter capital. Don't forget. Read these sentences. I love the kitten. The kitten loves me. In these sentences, the words love and loves are the verbs. In the first sentence, I comes before love. In the second sentence, me comes after loves. It shows the receiver of the action when we use a pronoun after a verb. It changes form. For example, I becomes me, he becomes him, you remains you, we becomes us, she becomes her, it remains it, and they becomes them. Circle the correct pronouns to complete these sentences. He or him is taking the dog for a walk. So, he is taking the dog for a walk. Second number, the dog is going with he or him for a walk. Answer, him. The dog is going with him for a walk. I or me am sitting with Ravi. I am sitting with Ravi. We or us are enjoying ourselves. We are enjoying ourselves. They or them like to talk to the children. They like to talk to the children. The children like to talk to they or them. The children like to talk to them. 7 number. She or her played with the ducks in the pond. She played with the ducks in the pond. 8 number. The ducks in the pond played with she or her. The ducks in the pond played with her. Now students, look at the pictures and read these sentences. This is a bag. That is a chair. These are flowers. Those are birds. Students, do you know when we use these or this? When something or someone is near us. And we use that or those when something or someone is far from us. We use these when we talk about a thing or a person near us. We use that when we talk about things or a person far from us. We use these when we talk about things or people near us. We use those when we talk about things or people far from us. Question number C. Look at this picture. What is the boy saying? Complete the sentences using this, that, these or those. Students, this is your homework. You have to do yourself. Now, question number D. Look at this picture and answer the questions. What is this? This is a penguin. Now, what are those? Now, first letter capital. Those are balloons. What is this? This is an elephant. Now, what are these? These are pencils. Full stop. What is that? Now, first letter capital, THAT, that is an aeroplane. AEROPLANE, full stop, aeroplane. What are these? First letter capital. These are trees. Full stop. Ron is introducing himself and his family. Let us read and learn about his family members. This is my father. He is a chef. He likes to read books. This is my mother. She is a pilot. She likes to watch films. This is my sister. She studies in class 5th. She loves to play basketballs. This is me. I study in class 2. I love to play football. This is my pet. It loves to play with a ball. We love it very much. Now work in pairs. Take turns to talk about your family members in a similar manner. Students, you also have to discuss with your friends about you and your family members. Take care. Bye.